Assalamu alaikum and greetings from Allied Solutions. My name is Shoaib Shaheen and today we are going to unbox Air Radio natural gas detector. So let's do this unboxing and let's find out what we get inside the box. So this is the box. We also have the Honeywell BW Solo gas detector. The difference between the two gas detector is that these gas detectors are specially built for industrial purposes, and you can use in the refineries, in the oil and chemical departments, and various hazardous places, no? Whereas this air radio gas detector can be used in the households, in the schools, in the kitchens. This gas detector is quite low in prices and yet very effective, and it is powered not by battery, it is powered by 220 volts. The voltage ranges from AC 90 to 265 volts. Let's do this unboxing and let's find out what we get inside the box, and we also do some tests and check how efficient is this gas detector is. So let's do this unboxing. So in the box we have the manual, which we never read, okay, and overall this is the small yet very effective gas detector. As you can see, the details of gas detector is mentioned. So it has Ch4 LEL 7% and the voltage rating is AC 90 to 260 volt. So some specification of this, the sensor is made of pure platinum precious metal, and it has double alarm up to 70 decibel and 360 degree warning lights. It has three lights indication: the power light, the green light, the yellow light which indicates there is a fault, and the red light which indicates that there is alarm is warning. So this is a power supply. So if the green light is indicating, it says that the detector is self-test and it's a preload. If the light is yellow, the detector indicates that there is a fault condition, and if the red light indicates that it indicates that the alarm is detected something is Ch4 gases. That's why it's a red light. So some there's a installation gas guideline. So this is the plug. This is the self-test button. There's a buzzer. This is a buzzer. Power indicating light. As you can see, the power indicating light here, and the ring light status. This is the ring light status. As you can see, currently the detector is in the preload condition and it's not detecting any Ch4 right now. So the installation location, the detector and the gas stove should be located in the same indoor places. The detector distance may be around 1 to 3 meters away from the gas leak source is the best. The detector should be installed in the distance from ceiling around 30 centimeter height of the fixed wall position. You can install in this position, or you can install in this position. It is not, this position not recommended, either this position or in the above position. So you can say some precautions has to be taken. The installed gas detector should not be installed so close to the gas stove, and it cannot be installed at the places where there is so much smoke, and if it cannot be installed at a places like windows, doors or fan, or any other airflows spaces like exhaust fan, and near exhaust fan you install this gas detector, it will not work properly. You have to install in an indoor place and near to gas stove, not very far away but near 1 to 3 meters distance, you can say. So we will do some test and we will show some videos and find out what we get inside the what we get in this cheap prices. Some specifications are: it's a natural diffusion, AC 290 to 260 volt, LEL ranges from 0 to 100% LEL, warm up time around 180 seconds plus minus 10, you can say, and 70 decibel, 5 years under normal working environment. Its warranty period, service life is around 5 years, and so it is semiconductor type. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.